Blessed morning, blessed afternoon to you. I've got to be a little more diligent about making videos. How y'all doing? This is Maida, Jamaica, I like to say. Mrs. Gordon. Still Mrs. Gordon. Yeah, still Mrs. Gordon. What can we say? We love him, we love him. I didn't marry him for nothing. So anyway, today, today I am preparing my suitcases. Okay, why is there one earring missing? Okay, that's weird. There's one earring. I see one, I see two. There we go. Okay, yes, so, hopefully that don't fall. I am preparing my bags because I am leaving for Jamaica in a couple of weeks. So I just wanted to dialogue a little bit. I don't even like these things anymore. So put it in there. So hopefully I don't lose the earrings because now it's starting to get on my nerves. I have to put posts in. It drives me bonkers. Okay, so yes, I'm leaving for Jamaica in a couple of weeks, and I want to start posting more videos on YouTube. And then when I do YouTube, I can't use music, and I can't stand that. So until I get better and learn what I'm doing, then there'll be no music. So this is what I got going on. This right here is my stuff I got to pack for me. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. This bag here is for school supplies. This table here is all school supplies. Okay. And then we got some school supplies and some of my stuff in there. Now this is the bag I got to put the school supplies in. And these are, well, this Bible right here is for my mother-in-law. But the other ones are for her church. Large print, yeah, no. These are for the elderly, you young folks can see. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm leaving in a couple of weeks. I'm so excited. Yeah, that's a dress I made. But anyway, yes, I have to work on lighting and all kinds of stuff. So this is going to be fun. Please enjoy the venture with me. Leave your comments. I think I have it on comments. I don't know. I only have like 2 followers and a couple views, but I'm learning. I've been doing this like a year on and off, so we'll see if we can stay more on. I love y'all. Remember, God loves you and I love you. I don't like this either when people are moving around. That drives me bonkers. I will not be doing that. I'll be doing it like every so often. Not like this, talking and moving. Ugh. Okay, love y'all. Peace.